How to delete Snapchat account permanently. So first, you just have to launch your Snapchat application and then tap your profile. Here you have to tap your icon or settings. Scroll down till you see delete. Now, if you can't see the delete option or icon here, what you're going to do is to scroll up again and then look for I need help. Tap this one. And then here, you just have to search delete account or delete Snapchat permanently, something like that. And then after that, you just have to tap the search icon here. Okay, and then you will have some choices, but you just have to select and look for Snapchat portal. Okay, tap this one, the first one here. Scroll down and then look for this one. Okay, Snapchat account portal. Okay, once you click that one, it will take you to another page. And all you have to do is to simply enter some information. For example, they need your username or email address. And then after that, tap next. Okay, do this one and then enter your password. Now here you just have to click delete my account. Okay, so all you have to do is just simply read the following here instructions here. Type your username again and then your password and then click continue. As easy as that. So once you're sure of deleting your account, Snapchat account, do this method. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.